Oh man, Tiwa Savage gets me every time. Time to concentrate. MX24 TV, this is MX Live. Always, as always, very happy to be here. And I'm happy you guys have joined us because I'm going to start off by saying we can never absolutely do this without you. It's been an incredible year so far. The year isn't over just yet, so please still stay safe. Tell someone to take care of someone else if they can, and take care of yourself. That's the most important thing to us here because we do this for you 100%, always being fun, fearless, and factual. And how do we stay interactive? How do we talk to you? MX24 TV, every single platform from TikTok to X, Instagram, Facebook, you know, the whole 9 yards. We're on every single platform. And please add the MX Live hashtag for this show because we have so many shows from our sports, you know, to everything else, early jam, and this again, MX Live. Now today we're going to kick off a bit differently because we have apparently what's going to be one of the coolest events of the year. So you and I, we're going to find out together. So what I want you to do is sit back, relax, enjoy. We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. MX24 TV, hashtags MX Live. Send us anything you want to in terms of questions, ideas, you know, the guests you want us to have on the show, because this show is for you, by you, because we talk about the things you want us to talk about, and the things you enjoy. Now, for the past couple of weeks, whenever I'm walking around, you know, because I walk around a lot, I see billboards of events, you know, people going here, people talking about this, and on my social media, I'm seeing ads constantly. And I've seen this one particular event over and over and over. Now, the interesting thing for me is apparently this is the first time this is happening. So I went to dig and find out those organizing this event to see what the word is. Because again, the word I've been hearing is it's going to be cool, from, you know, the things that are going to be happening on the day, you know, to the artists that are going to be performing, to the location, to the guests, and again, the ads, you know, the ladies in bikinis and stuff. I've seen quite a bit. So as I said earlier on, I have the organizers of this event, a very beautiful lady in the studio and a brother, you know, all the way back there. Hello, guys. How are you doing?
We're good.
You're okay? You're looking very colorful, very bright.
Thank you very much.
Hi, what's the name?
Stira.
Stira.
Yeah.
That's nice. And to your right?
I'm Ivan.
Ivan, how are you doing, man?
Doing all good.
Okay, so I'm sure you guys are not surprised by what I said, by seeing, is it Tropical Jam? Yeah, me seeing it on social media, I've seen it on billboards, everybody's talking about this thing, right? But before we get into Tropical Jam, I just want to know, why did you guys decide to get into the event space? Because the thing is, it's very, very intense, very demanding. It's a lot has to go into organizing events in this part of the world. You know, we talk about finances, you know, getting artists on board. So since I'm a gentleman, I'm going to start with the beautiful lady here first. Stira, tell me about you and event organizing. And is this the first event you're a part of?
Yes, this is the first event I'm part of.
Wow.
Exactly. So Tropical Jam is actually, we want to give the people the beach experience. Exactly. And then it's something that comes with a lot of activities. You know, young people want to vibe, want to have fun, want to do a lot of things with people. So we decided to bring this beach experience, even though it's not the first, unfortunately for us, it's not the first beach festival coming up. We have the popular one, Tidal Reef. Yes, but we thank God it's a template for us to look on, to give the people the experience they need. Yeah.
Okay. So you're a campus rep.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'll get more to you, back to you about that. Ivan, how you doing, man?
I'm good, bro.
Okay, tell me about you and your background with event organizing and why, you know, this event now.
Okay, so I've been into events for some couple of time now, and Tropical Jam. So this is what happened. We actually host a movie and jam experience. And we've been doing this for the past 2.5 years. 27th December is our 9th edition of this movies and jam experience. And we also do same for tertiary, that is at Silverbed Cinemas.
Okay.
Yeah. So we've been doing this for, eight times. The last experience was on 17th of August.
How was that?
We our target audience are the senior high school students. When they come on vacation, we actually give them that experience where they watch maybe 4 out of 6 movies, 3 out of 4 movies with a free popcorn and a drink.
Okay.
Then after we do an after party.
Okay.
Yeah. So moving forward, we realized that we've been doing indoor stuff for some time now. So let's go outside.
Okay.
Yeah. So the team sat down and then we decided to do a beach experience because I think the audience you are paying attention to are used to the house parties, the park parties and all that. So we decided to do something new. But unfortunately, just like Esther said, a beach concert or a beach experience is not new because of tidal wave. So we decided to do this this event exclusively for our people and their friends. Yes.
Okay,
So that is how come Tropical Jam came into the picture.
The name Tropical Jam.
Yeah.
I'm hearing, cocktails. I'm hearing the sun. I'm hearing the beach, like you said.
Yeah, sure.
I'm hearing music.
Yeah.
I'm hearing good food, beautiful ladies. I
Yeah.
hope I'll not be disappointed.
Especially, very important.
So on the day, before we sat down to have this conversation, my producer showed me like a list of stuff you guys want to, and it's very, very packed.
It's packed.
So please tell us about what's going to be happening on the day and how you guys decide to stand out from other events, because there's loads, there's quite a few, right?
Sure.
But tell me about how you guys decide to, again, stand out and what's going to be happening on the day.
So on that day, just like you said, we are bringing a whole experience down to Wonder Bar at Kokobite. So from it starts at 10 a.m.
Okay.
We have games, we have horse riding, we have quad biking, we have boat cruising. I mean, lots of the events. I mean, activities. Yeah, it's a whole experience for them before the musical concert later in the evening. Okay. Exactly. And then we would also have our platform for people to exhibit their clothes and share to the audience as well. Yeah. So when you enter into the evening, let me say from 6 p.m., that's when we have the underground and upcoming artists coming to.
There's going to be performances too.
There'll be performances, both the dancers and then those doing music. Yeah.
Okay. We're seeing Dope Nation there.
Yeah.
Are they the headliners, part of the...
So not just Dope Nation. We have Dope Nation, Fame, Kofi Mole. We have Darko Vibes. We have...
Kwame. So he's coming with Mole?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
cool. Sure. And
Okay.
we have the youngest.
Okay.
Alogy, Bad Mayors. We have Cool Paul.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's quite a bit of artists that are going to be,
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
sure.
Bad Mayors, I've seen them before.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when it comes to these events, as we said, a lot goes into play. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm looking at this. I'm seeing artists, experiences, DJs, MCs.
Yeah.
I'm assuming security is something that you guys have also talked about. Please tell us about how secure the place is going to be, because it's very important.
So we are working with policemen. We are working with private security agencies.
Okay.
We are working with the beach guards or the sea guards.
Okay.
Exactly. So that they would actually be there around the shores just in case should anything go negative.
Okay.
Yes. So our security is top notch.
Top notch. Okay. Now, a campus rep. What does a campus rep do basically? Because, I'm hearing, again, campus, I'm hearing representative. Do you get students involved? Is that the plan? Do you guys go to campuses? Because, again, from what I've seen, I'll not be surprised if the place is packed, but you still have a job to do. So please enlighten us on what your take in this is, please.
So to get the events to be really heard among the the youth
Oh, okay.
on the campuses. So I also have available tickets to give out to them if they need it. So that's my job. I just.
So you've been going to campuses?
Yeah.
And like telling them about these things. Are they excited?
Very, very excited
They are?
already. Exactly.
Which campus would you say was the most excited so far out of the ones you've been to?
Legon.
Ah, why am I not surprised? You know, like people, you're always out there, you know, making noise and doing our thing. So when it comes to getting there, are there any sort of preparations? You know, you guys, are you gonna bus students? Do they have to get there themselves? Because I saw it's happening at Kokobite, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Please tell me about that too.
So currently, the set one is at West Hills Mall. We'll be
Okay.
having those who have the tickets to meet at West Hills Mall, and then they'll be driven to Kokobite, the Wonder Bar Beach.
Now, where can we actually get the tickets? Because I'm sure people watching this might really want to, like,
Yeah.
how can we get them? Is it online? Do you buy at certain places?
Yeah.
So we have an online store. We've partnered Ego Tickets, so they can actually go to the Ego Tickets website, search for Tropical Jam, and make their online passage as
Okay,
well.
so,
Yeah,
but not physically. You can.
we have the
We have
physical
physical
tickets as
tickets.
well. The student representatives have the physical
Oh,
tickets.
she has them.
Yes,
When
she
you
has
see her
them.
on the street, you should like
Yeah.
then walk up to them.
Yeah.
I want a ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have other
Accra
reps
Mall
still
Cinemas.
around.
Accra Mall, Silverbird Cinemas also has tickets there. West Hills as well.
How do people get these tops? In case they want a couple.
So they will contact Stira, sorry.
Okay. What are you looking forward to most on the night? Because one thing I think we forget is, you know, organizers like to have fun too. You know, they look forward to, even though they have to make sure everything's on point. You know, make sure everyone is safe. I'm sure there are certain artists you might really want to see. Do you care to share at all?
Okay. Dub Nation is a big fan.
You want to see the
Yes,
nation?
he's a big fan. And
Okay.
the Bad Mayors.
Okay. Okay.
I like their vibe there. You know.
How to do their thing. Ivan, what about you?
Well, for me, I think it's more about the people experience and whatever we have for them. Because I know these people. Yeah, I've experienced them on Tidal Reef events, so I'm used to them. So mine is, let me create the experience for them. Let them come and enjoy.
Okay. So you guys are promising me and my viewers, music is going to be on point.
Point.
Food is going to be on point.
Exactly. Most important.
Yes. You see, I like her. Right? She has food. Okay. Now we have a promotional video. So let's check this out. They're trying to entice us. You know. We'll be right back. Bruh, when is this happening? No. When what? I have to be there. Please, when is this happening? Give us the
So it's
dates
happening
on
on the 14th of December.
Okay.
14th of December.
Okay.
It's on a Saturday.
We're not missing the dates.
Nah, 14th, 1-4.
14th of December.
I wish I
What
could
time?
spell.
What time does it start?
From 10 a.m.
From 10 a.m.
The experience starts right from 10 a.m. So if people can even come and sleep there before that day safe, yeah.
Hey, then go down. That's me. He's indirectly talking to me, but no problem.
Sure,
So
so-
from 10 a.m. through to what time? Because
To,
it's like a whole day thing,
yeah, it's
right?
like a whole day event. Sure.
Okay, so what time is it happening to? 10 p.m.,
10
12
p.m.
midnight?
Yeah, 10 p.m.
Your mommy calls you,
Oh, well, we are.
something like that.
Yeah, sure.
I think we've said almost everything. Okay, so is there anything you'd want to add as to why, you know, youngins, adults should be a part of this? Is there anything you'd want to tell us?
Okay, so since it's a beach experiential event we are bringing to you, most people missed Tidal Reef. So it's just like the same experience. If you want to experience Tidal Reef again, you have Tropical Jam to come and experience as well.
You know, they're promising us a lot. And the lineup with the artists from Kwamna MP to Famille, Dope Nation, Kupo, Mole, that's a really, really incredible lineup, I must say. You know, Bad Mayors. Oh, Lalid is going to be there.
Yeah,
Okay, Asuma C, Aloji. That's wild. That's wild. You guys have done an incredible job, you know, getting these artists on board. Ivan, is there anything you want to add before you leave?
No. Currently, no. I think you have the juice.
Yeah, you have the juice, right?
I was just looking forward to getting you super interested, So if I have you super interested, I think I have everyone else.
Everyone else is interested. I
Interested,
like
yeah.
that. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Can't wait to be there. I'm sure if anyone wants any information, they can go on social media.
Yeah, sure,
The numbers are there. Just look up, Tropical Jam. And I can't wait to see the aftermath, as in the review of how this event went. And big up to you guys and all the organizers.
Thank you,
right?
Jason.
Nice one. We're definitely going to
Thank
talk some more. So as always, quick commercial break. I had to let them go, but I'm not leaving just yet. I'll be right back.